So what I'm going to do is I'm doing my third coat, and I'm going to apply the joint compound with my 12-inch, and then I'm going to come back. This is my secret weapon. I'm going to come back with this smoothing blade and go over the whole repair. It's a DIYer's dream come true because you can do some sloppy mud work and totally clean it up with this 24-inch Tomahawk. So what I'm going to do is apply it the same way I did the last coat. I want to build it up on each side of the tape. I want to keep this to a minimum or we're going to have a big hump. So I'm just going to fill over here and keep the joint compound to a minimum, but I'm also going to know that I'm coming back with the Tomahawk smoothing blade to clean it all up. But it can be rough, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to go ahead and skim coat the gray paper of the drywall so it's all the same. All right, continuing. Just kind of making sure there's not any voids. Want to have joint compound over everything. But I'm not worried about the lines.
Here I'm just checking all the joints to make sure they're nice and flat, or if there is a hump or bump, I can apply a little extra compound so it makes it flatter.
All right, so it's time for the Tomahawk smoothing blade. I'm using my 24-inch. And I'm just gonna go lightly over this whole repair. So here we go. Again, I'm gonna put some pressure on this to make this line go away, but I'm also kind of gonna let this side float because I don't want to take too much compound away.
All right, I'm going to go over this ceiling repair one more time with the smoothing blade. Again, I'm applying pressure to the right side to knock that line down. And I'm just going to continue across the whole repair, removing any lines and humps. I do see a couple more little spots. Let me hit that real quick. Right here in the center, and I'm just going to work my way over to the right. No pressure on the left side. Going to leave no lines after this. All right, so there is the repair after it's been skim coated once with the Columbia Tomahawk smoothing blade.
Subscribe for more skim coating and drywall tips. Thanks for watching.